Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best teeth whitening kits that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Stainless Smiles Premium Teeth Whitening Kit. The Stainless Smiles Premium Teeth Whitening Kit is the best on-the-go teeth whitening kit. It comes with an LED light. The blue light technology speeds up teeth whitening and helps in stain removal of coffee, soda, tea, red wine, and nicotine. It has the potential to remineralize tooth enamel. It is a 20 minutes procedure to place this whitening gel in your mouthpiece and then plug into a USB. You can use the Stainless Smiles Premium Teeth Whitening Kit for 3 to 4 consecutive days for best results. This premium teeth whitening kit provides up to 8 shades brighter teeth. This kit consists of 16-watt LED light and 3 ml whitening gel syringe, that includes the 36% carbamide peroxide. After teeth whitening gel, apply 3 ml remineralizing gel for 10 minutes. At number 4. Cali White Vegan Teeth Whitening Kit. The Cali White Vegan Teeth Whitening Kit is a peroxide-free and gluten-free formula with certified organic ingredients. It gives clinically proven results using the natural power of cranberry seed oil and baking soda. This kit safely whitens teeth to up to 2 to 8 shades lighter in 7 consecutive days use. It is safe to use on teeth enamel. The Cali White Vegan Teeth Whitening Gel has extracts of aloe vera and chamomile that soothes sensitive teeth and gums. It removes stains from wine, coffee, foods, and aging. It is the best formula to use for those who want fantastic results but don't want to use peroxides on their teeth. It helps fill in crevices between teeth and whitening molars that give uniform whitening effect to all teeth. To keep your gums clean and to clear maximum plaque, consider using a water flosser. At number 3. Ismail Teeth Whitening Kit. The Ismail Teeth Whitening Kit includes new red and blue LED technology. It is a complete all-in-one kit that has 3 teeth whitening pens and a tooth desensitizing pen. With each consecutive use, it whitens and remineralizes your teeth within 15 minutes. The blue LED technology activates the teeth whitening gel and enhances its whitening effect, and the red LED reduces sensitivity with a whitening treatment. The Ismail Teeth Whitening Kit has a whitening gel that consists of 35% carbamide peroxide. It has a 15-minute timer that automatically turns off as the treatment ends. The Ismail Teeth Whitening Kit includes an FDA-approved formula that removes stains caused by coffee, tea, and other beverages. It also has a tooth desensitizer gel pen that helps all whitening procedures. At number 2. AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Kit. The AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Kit has an accelerator light to speed up the teeth whitening process. Its LED light consists of 5 bulbs with extra power, and a built-in timer to keep track of the whitening session. The kit has 5 ml of gel syringes that contain 35% carbamide peroxide and 20+ treatments in whitening. The gel in this kit is gluten-free and safe to use on tooth enamel and does not produce sensitivity. The mouth tray of the AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Kit does not require boiling and molding, and the plate fits all mouth sizes. It whitens both upper and lower teeth at the same time. The AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Kit is a one-time use kit for 30 minutes. It successfully removes stains of wine, soda, and coffee with one treatment. This kit has a case for storage of the mouth tray. At number 1. Crest Whitening Strips Kit. The Crest 3D Whitening Kit delivers high-level whitening results by removing 14 years of stains for a whiter smile. Use this kit just once for best results. It brings you a whiter smile in a small period. This teeth whitening kit uses an advanced seal technology with a no-slip grip that helps you drink water and talk while whitening your teeth. Apply the Crest 3D Whitening Kit once a day for at least 30 minutes. In the next 3 days, you will have a whiter smile with excellent results. It is an enamel-safe kit and has an advanced seal technology to help mold the strip to your teeth. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.